Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to remove the OneDrive Red X and fix synchronization errors in under 5 minutes. Seeing that red mark on your icon is annoying, but we can resolve it with a straightforward walkthrough to get your files back in order. Start by finding the OneDrive Cloud icon on your taskbar, which likely displays the error symbol. Select that icon to open a small window showing your current sync status and alerts. We need to access the internal settings to fix the root cause. Look for the gear icon or the settings link within that menu. Clicking this will launch the main OneDrive configuration panel where we can manage various settings, making it a vital step in our process. From here, navigate to the Account tab, which serves as the gateway for managing your sync data. Look for the Choose Folders button and click it. A list of all your cloud directories will appear in a new window. To stop the errors, uncheck any folders that aren't essential for immediate syncing. Simply click the boxes next to the folders you want to exclude. Once you have made your selections, press OK. This simple action often clears the conflict by stopping the problematic folders from updating, potentially removing the source of the error. If the red X remains after managing your folders, we have another solution to try. Return to the Account tab and select the Unlink this PC option. You will be asked to confirm this choice. Go ahead and disconnect your computer from the service temporarily. Afterward, simply sign back into your account. This action resets the link between your device and the cloud, fixing deeper issues that folder management might miss. Following these steps will help you eliminate the sync problems you have been facing and ensure that Red X disappears for good.